friends, and welcome back to another episode of Beatdown Rhythm. Today, we're in Arashiyama, and it's a scenic district on the western edge of Kyoto, Japan, sitting along the Katsura River and backed by forested mountains. It's been a retreat for Japanese nobles since the Heian period, over 1,000 years ago. Basically, Kyoto's original escape from the city. Today, it's one of the most visited places in all of Kyoto. The main bridge you cross is Togetsukyo, which literally means Moon Crossing Bridge. It was originally built in the Heian era, and it's been rebuilt many times. The current structure is modern but designed to look traditional. It's the centerpiece of the Arashiyama visually and culturally. During fall and spring, this place becomes one of the most photographed spots in Japan. Arashiyama pulls in a mix of tourists, a lot of them. Photographers, couples, and influencers. Some local Kyoto residents on day trips. And why they come here? The bamboo forest, the river views, and the mountains. Temples like Tenryuji, street food, and traditional shops. And of course, the monkeys. The monkey park entrance fee is about 800 yen, which is about $5 to $6 for adults, and it's cash only. Arashiyama gets crowded. Midday, it's extremely crowded, especially near the bridge and bamboo grove. Early morning before 8 a.m., it's completely a different vibe. It's quiet, cinematic, and the streets are empty. Peak seasons include cherry blossom and fall foliage. Shoulder-to-shoulder traffic is usually what's expected. Arashiyama looks peaceful, but only if you get here before everyone else. Iwatayama Monkey Park. Home to 120 plus Japanese macaques. It opened in 1957 and it's located on top of the mountain. It is about a 20 to 30 minute hike up, and it's not easy. The monkeys are wild, they're not caged, and you are entering their territory. When you arrive, there are some key behavior notes that you should consider. You shouldn't stare into their eyes, as these monkeys see it as a threat. They also roam freely around you, and you end up feeding them from inside a cage. You're the one behind the barrier. The mountains around Arashiyama were believed to house spirits in ancient Japan. Forests here were considered sacred places tied to nature gods. The monkeys themselves are culturally symbolic in Japan, often seen as messengers between humans and gods. When you reach the top of Iwatayama Monkey Park, you're looking out over a wide panoramic view of Kyoto. And it's one of those rare spots where the city reveals itself all at once. And you can see the Katsura River cutting through the landscape. There's an eerie contrast. Peaceful temples below, wild animals watching you from above. Some visitors say the experience feels unsettling because the monkeys behave almost human. They silently observe you, and they're completely unafraid. They don't fear you. They study you.
Please keep distance over 2 meters. Please don't touch my keys. Please don't stare or keep eyes. Please don't pick up any from the ground. Thank you. 皆さんご覧の際は近くでじっと見て変わらない。グラウンドに落ちているサンシャンターガス、シコラなどは拾わないように。
Arashiyama isn't just a place you visit. It's a place that shifts depending on when you arrive. Quiet, chaotic, controlled, or completely wild. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Beatdown Rhythm. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and smash that like button, share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.